What's up, guys? It's your boy Challenge Master back with another challenge video. So today me and Rich we're gonna do this weird type of challenge. So I have this fart soundboard app and we have to play farts, and if we crack a smile so if it shows teeth or we laugh, that counts. So if we do that, we have to pick from this hat. I have 5 items that we either need to do or wear that we have to do for the rest of the challenge. So it's going to be hard. So I have this on full volume. And this one's called the polite fart. Okay? This one's called the medium fart. You laugh first. Pick from the hat of fun.
No. Put lotion on your face like
war paint. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. You stay there. Stay there. I'll go get the lotion. You have to do this for the rest of the challenge. No, don't play with that. You have to do this for the rest of the challenge.
Oh my god, no!
What did I say? You have to do like war
It's
paint.
cold. It's cold.
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
He's putting this shit. No. 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 No.
Okay. Gotta keep that on your face now.
I want to see.
No, don't leave the camera, don't leave the camera. Alright guys, sorry about that. That one took longer than I thought. This one's called the nasty fart.
Oh.
Oh, that is bad. Alright, here we go.
We both laughed.
Yeah, but you laugh first. Only one.
I have a feeling this is going to be wear underwear on your head.
Yep. Get it, underwear, boy. It says wear underwear on your head for the rest of the challenge. Wait, how are you going to do that if you... Oh, you have to just put it on your head, not your face. Guys, Richie is losing this challenge. Oh, dude, that goes great with the war paint. Let's see, let's see. Oh my... Dude, you look like a crazy, baker. They wear those hats. Come on, sit down. He was looking at himself in the mirror like he was... Alright, this one's called the belch. Is that even a fart? Like... Okay, I'm just gonna start making these fart noises.
There was a scream pail.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but I could have laughed too. Pick from the hat. Oh my god, he has 3.
Drink a spoon of hot sauce.
Yes, I'm gonna get the hot sauce. I'll be right back. Oh my Jesus.
That's a fart. Again, Reggie.
Alright, well,
This is the scream female.
Alright, hold on a second. Alright guys, so my choice. So I couldn't find a spoon, but I have a fork, so that works in sriracha.
Ricky, this is the gassed female. This is the laugh male.
Alright, why are you doing that? Oh my gosh, that would have been so bad because the cap was open. Alright. That's what you get for laughing at farts.
That was a bad choice. Oh my god.
Guys, now click the thumbs up for Richie losing all the time and for me winning. Just pause the video, click the thumbs up, and come back to the video. Come on. Come on. We have to finish this. Because we have a couple more fart noises to go. Now we're going to come to a point because I used all the fart noises. We're going to come to a point where I'm just going to rapidly fire on medium. So this one's called medium fart. Are you smiling, showing teeth? Yes.
No.
Alright, fine, redo.
That was practice.
You. Okay, this one's the nasty fart. You laughed at the same time. Rock, paper, scissors, who gets it? Yes!
No, that's what.
No, fine. Ooh.
Send that.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it.
Yes.
Oh no, I know which one of these. Drink ketchup. I'll go get the ketchup.
I'm gonna go look at some of these.
Oh,
Bleach.
damn it.
There's a fart called bleach. Oh, that was a Crown Blue.
How good does Richie look? Alright guys, I got my ketchup. You like this shot glass? I guess I got a lot of catching up to do. Get it? I guess I got a lot of catching up to do. Okay, nobody gets it, whatever.
I do!
Okay. I gotta get you. Here we go. Oh no, it's going down slow. Okay. You have hot sauce on your chin. Ugh.
That was from me, like throwing almost.
Okay. We have one item left in here. We have one. I wrote these. Richie doesn't even know what it is. This one's not too bad, I guess, for Richie, but it's terrible for me. But we'll see.
I'll pick it. I'll do it.
No.
I laughed on purpose because I really wanted to do this one. Oh.
Let me see. Take a gulp of pickle juice.
Alright, I'll go get my pickle juice.
Okay. No, Richie, fridge. Okay, guys.
It's better when it's cold, though.
Okay, guys, so we got this pickle juice. It's like an athletic drink almost. It helps with like sore muscles. It's called Stop Muscle Cramps Pickle Juice Sport. And I seriously hate this stuff. I'm sorry if you work for the company and you're watching this, but I hate this stuff. I'll crack it open for you. This is not regular pickle juice that comes from the jars of pickles. It's like totally different.
I forced him to drink it last night, and he almost threw up.
Go ahead.
Me?
Oh, you are disgusting, bro. Oh my god, I can't even take. You can do another one. Do it. Everybody. All right. Well, Richie. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is the end of challenge talk. So how do you feel?
I like the way I wore the war face.
Still have that one hot piece of hot sauce on your chin.
Where? Right here?
You do.
Okay.
All right. So if a lot of you guys are wondering, every single time you see the back of my phone, this says artwork by Richie. Richie actually drew this at school, and we made a phone case out of it. So that's pretty good artwork, right? Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. Please like the like button and comment on what videos you guys would like to see next time. And until then...